FutureNet Foundation presents One Festival, 2 days, up to 70,000 people, 6 major artists, one goal. Together we can change the world. FutureNet Foundation Festival is a charitable event aiming at promoting the life-saving programs of IMSAM and United Nations. In particular, the use of spirulina against the world's #1 killer, acute malnutrition.